Ano po ba itong ECCD, Mr. President?
It's Early Childhood Care Development Council, Your Honor, Mr. President.
Early Childhood
Care Development.
Care Development. Hindi po ba sa DSW dito, Mr. President? Sa inyo na po ba ito? Bakit po napunta kayo sa pag-aalaga ng mga bata? Hindi po bang inaalagaan nyo mga pulis at saka mga bumbero? Bakit po pati bata ang inaalagaan nyo na? Baka po kayo ay...
Your Honor, Mr. President, tama po kayo. Dati po ay that was before under DSWD. But since most of the daycare centers are in the LGUs, the barangay halls, no, may mga sa barangay halls, so it was transferred to the DLG supervision, Mr. President.
Nakabuti po ito, Mr. President. Meron po tayong may bibigay ng mga datos o pangyayari na mula po sa DSWD ay kayo na po ang kumupkup dito sa responsibilidad na ito, Mr. President.
Your Honor, Mr. President, that remains to be seen as this will only be implemented this coming May 2026.
Ang alam ko po itong ECCD, Mr. President, sa DepEd po ito.
Co-chair po ang DILG and the DepEd, Mr. President.
So sa makatwid po sa pag-aalaga po ng dalawang ahensya, DepEd at DSWD, minabuti po nilang ibigay na lang po sa inyo, Mr. President. Tinanggap naman po ninyo ng buong puso, Mr. President.
Your Honor, Mr. President, it will be DepEd, yes, DepEd and DILG, since it is stipulated now under the law, under an RA 12199. So, co-chair po talaga ang DILG and DepEd, tukol po sa ECCD, Mr. President.
Mr. President, meron pong special provision ngayon doon sa reimbursement ng expenses na kanilang ginasta sa anti-smuggling and economic subversion operations. Bakit po, Mr. President? Why is there a need for reimbursement of expenses, specifically for anti-smuggling and economic subversion operations? Hindi po ba ito parte na rin ng inyong ahensya sa usual operations with corresponding budget allocations?
Your Honor, Mr. President, according to our DILG Secretary, they have not received any reimbursement, no? They just request. Your Honor, Mr. President, they are also, to add that they are requesting for additional funding because the PNP plays an important role in the anti-agriculture smuggling, anti-agriculture economic sabotage, especially when it comes to there's oil and agriculture products and even cigarettes. Malaking bagay po yung nagiging papel po ng PNP, in arresting those violators. So, that's why the reimbursement of expenses incurred in the anti-smuggling and economic subversion operations they are requesting, so that they can perform better yung kanila pong enforcement capability. Kasi ngayon po, kumukuha sila ng pondo kung saan-saan. So, for them to be able to perform their tasks as mandated by the anti-agricultural economic sabotage law, they are seeking for requesting for reimbursement of expenses incurred, Mr. President.
I hope this can be justified, Mr. President, dahil kasama po kasi sa budget allocation. Although I believe an additional compensation, probably by way of reimbursement, can be siguro, pwede rin po siguro, kaya lang baka magkaroon po ng problema dahil naka-budget po. Yun lang naman po yung concern, Mr. President.
Ang bayan ko'y may mata, nakita niya na ang lahat. Ang bayan ko'y may mata, nakita niya na ang lahat. At sa tamang oras